Azure DevOps Artifacts, Backup and Recovery in GitProtect. If you are not aware what Azure DevOps Artifact is, I will let you know that it's fully integrated package management service which you can find in Azure DevOps. It lets development team to safely host, share and use packages from package repositories like NuGet, NPM, Maven and way more. Thanks to Azure DevOps Artifacts, development teams can be ensured that they are using exactly the same and the right version of their packages. Moreover, they are safe against package poisoning attacks because all packages added to Azure DevOps Artifacts are immutable, so it's impossible to change the artifacts and package content. With GitProtect, we protect both feeds and packages, including packages content, but also there is protection of feeds permission, views, and upstream sources, so everything what's related to Azure artifacts. And now let me show you how does it work in GitProtect. So here I have my Data to Protect project in Grzegorz demo organization. We are on a test feed, which is project scope feed. And in this feed, we have 4 different packages, 2 from NuGet and 2 from NPM. So right now, let's switch to GitProtect to start protecting our artifacts and entire project. So firstly, I have already my Azure DevOps organization integrated with GitProtect, so only what I need to do is just to create a new backup plan. I'm going to protect only selected project, which was named Data to Protect, and it's here. Then in the next step, I have to define which data I'm going to protect. So I will skip LFS, pull requests, and some additional data because right now it's not necessary for me. I'm going to focus especially on artifact feeds, which are by default selected to backup. Then in the next step, I have to select the backup storage, which works exactly the same for every kind of backup plan in GitProtect. After that, we have also schedule our backups. And last but not least, we have to enable encryption for this backup because every copy must be encrypted to stay safe and secure. I will name our backup plan like Azure DevOps Artifacts. And now only what we need to do is just to press save and run. Our backup task has been started, so let's take a quick look how it performs. And right now we need to wait a while for the backup to be completed. Once our backup is done, we can take a quick look at its status, so everything went fine. So right now it's time to recover our Azure DevOps project with artifacts inside. I'm going to do recovery to Grzegorz Recovery organization, which has no projects at all. So let me switch back to our GitProtect. Let's move forward to a DevOps tab, and I'm going to restore the data from my Azure DevOps organization. I'm restoring data to Protect project, so let's move forward to the next step. I'm going to recover to Azure DevOps, and what I'm going to recover, let's say I'm not going to recover LFS, wiki, nor pull request, and not attachments, but let's stay with rest of the data, including artifact feeds, packages, and package content. So let me press save. And now I have to choose which organization I'm going to recover my data to. So it's Grzegorz Recovery. Let's add suffix to project name just to ensure it's our demo project and it's perfectly restored, and I'm not going to recover dependent organizational resources because I'm recovering the data to the same organization which was the source one for this project. So I assume that all these dependent organizational resources already exist there. So let me press restore. Let's move forward to our tasks, and now we just need to wait a while until our restore will be completed. Now our restore has been completed, so let's take a look at the status. Oh, we had just one warning, and I'm quite sure this warning is related to feed name. So the feed name was changed because the origin name was already taken, but everything was successfully restored, including our artifact feeds, packages, and everything else what's related. So let's take a look at our Azure DevOps organization. So right now we are in trigger recovery, and here our new project appears. So it's data to protect underline demo. So the name is exactly the same as we set during our restore. Let's move forward to our artifacts. And as we see there, the name of artifact feed was changed, but here we have exactly the same packages what we had in our source project.